Are you feeling bloated, tired, or just not yourself? Problematic yeast in your gut could be to blame. When yeast grows out of control throughout one's GI tract, it can throw your gut's delicate balance off course. This imbalance leads to digestive issues, low energy, and even brain fog, making everyday tasks feel like a challenge. Problematic yeast can irritate your gut lining, leading to discomfort and a weakened immune system. But it doesn't have to be this way. By addressing your yeast overgrowth, you can restore balance, improve digestion, and feel like yourself again. But where do you start? You have to evaluate the lifestyle factors that may be contributing, beginning with diet. Some examples here are reducing sugar and carbohydrates on which yeast thrive, or increase your fiber intake to promote better gut balance. However, you may be at a point where you're considering supplemental support, and this is where TruFloraPRO comes in. Yeast cells are comparatively much larger and more evasive than other gut microbes, and a colony of yeast cells won't go quietly. TruFloraPRO is formulated specifically to combat yeast cells in the small intestine, and it does so with a 1-2 punch of specifically chosen enzymes and probiotics. First, we break down the beta-glucan yeast cell walls with the enzyme beta-glucanase and scavenge remnant complex carbohydrates that can feed the yeast with hemicellulase. After these enzymes impede on the yeast cell lining and reduce their food supply, the 3 probiotic strains deliver the final blow by producing type L lactic acid to flush out the hindered yeast cells. This isn't the lactic acid that builds up in your muscles, but rather a needed byproduct of probiotics. Think of the probiotic cell as the fireman and the lactic acid the water coming from their fire hose. It will flush out the pesky yeast cells, allowing for a return to optimal gut balance. A couple of other considerations would be make sure you are fully digesting your food in the first place. A supplement like Enzymes Pro breaks down all food types into small particles so that you are not selectively feeding the yeast. Additionally, our best-selling probiotic, TruFloraPRO, can be used after or in rotation with TruFloraPRO, as it incorporates large amounts of bifidobacteria for the colon while still colonizing the small intestine with the lactobacillus genre of probiotics. There you have it, my friends. A healthy gut is a happy gut. Don't let problematic yeast stand in your way. Have a great day, everyone.